ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಉಮಾಶಂಕರ್ ಅಂತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ರೆಫರಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರು ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟು, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟು, ಟ್ರೆಷರರು, ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮೆಂಬರು ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟು, ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು. ಈಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ರೋಬೋ ಅಪ್ನಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಬೋನೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಫರಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಶನಿವಾರ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದಿರೋರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದನೇ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಇದರ 2-3 ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭರತ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಡೇ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಾರು, ಕವಿತಾ ಮೇಡಮು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಗೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ನ ಓದಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮುಂದಿನ ಶನಿವಾರದಿಂದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Good morning and welcome once again to today's Apna Referral Marketing Group meeting. I am Bharat and I will be guiding us through today's agenda. Our mission is simple: to grow together through trust, respect and generosity. Today is another opportunity to build meaningful relationship and open doors for each other. I'll be introducing you to the leadership team. Vashankar sir is our president. I'll be acting as the stand-in vice president for today's session, but the actual vice president is Hari sir. He'll be coming in the coming weeks. Mr. Krishna sir is
acting as a treasurer for this meeting.
And we also have Sanat, who is behind the camera, and Kavita ma'am and Shruti ma'am. So, coming to the code of honor, this is actually very important. All members, please listen carefully and understand, and please stick to this. Okay, this is what we believe in RMG. We show up with purpose. So don't come here to waste, like to pass your time here. This is a very sacred, this is a sacred place to grow your business. Understand that and come with a purpose. We give before we receive. So think of it as giving referrals to earn referral bonuses. Okay, don't think of just trying to acquire a business. Don't be selfish. Think about others as well. Okay, we stay visible and connected. See, if you don't attend meetings, you don't come to our offline meetings, how will people know that you exist? Your paid membership fees, everything, but if you don't show up, even if I have a referral for you, how can I give you? You have to be consistent. You have to come here every week. We keep the energy positive. Don't come here to complain or to speak ill about anybody. Just come in with positive vibes. Take what is positive from this group. Like in Sanskrit, there is a saying called Hamsa Kshira Nyaya, where Hamsa, that is a swan, which if you give it a mixture of both milk and water, it will only drink the milk, it will leave the water inside the pot itself. So be like that, take the positive only. We take the initiative. So don't expect business to come to your lap, sitting just because you have paid the membership fees. You have to take the initiative. You have to go to people, ask around, introduce yourself, right? We keep learning and adapting. Business is a dynamic activity. It's not static, right? You cannot learn once and implement it forever. You have to keep learning. So keep that in mind. We respect professional boundaries, right? Don't bring your personal issues here. Keep it professional. Be professional. We deliver quality. Don't just give numbers for the sake of for the greed of referral bonus. Okay, if you think this person genuinely can make a use of this contact, only then please share. Otherwise, don't prioritize quantity over quality. Don't give 100 contacts and expect one might turn up, so I'll get commission either way. Don't play the numbers game here. Keep it quality, and please support the group vision. We are here to make 1,100 crores of business. See the bigger picture and please support our vision. Okay? We are not here to be perfect. We are here to grow together. Every interaction is a chance to create opportunities.
So now let's look at our weekly scorecard to see how we are doing as a group overall. Referrals given, business closed, visitors invited, and any other key milestones. This helps us to track our collective growth overall. So referrals given as of now, as a whole, right from the first quarter, total completed about 155 referrals. Business closed, overall transaction 4.32 lakhs. 4.32 lakhs overall. Visitors invited about 55 visitors invited. Total members as of now, paid members 78 till date. So this is the weekly scorecard, and our weekly milestone is all about doing 2.5 lakhs every week as a group target.
So coming to recognition and achievements, this week's I'd like to recognize who have made outstanding contribution. It's giving quality referrals, closing businesses, or helping fellow members. So this week, Jayashree Madam has given 6,000 worth of referrals. So congratulations, Jayashree Madam. Thank you. You are an inspiration to all of us. So we are planning to bring up a new opportunity for you. It is called ROC, Referral Opportunity Category. Just keep that in mind. That's a very exciting new development coming in RMG. We'll explain it everything in detail in the coming weeks. But look forward to it.
So currently we have about 28 categories. Every week we will announce at least 2 focus categories to get more deep into it, understand, and then share the reference for that.
So this is just the introduction session. Now coming to the round table.
Yes, sir.
It's time for the referral round table. Your opportunity, everybody sitting here, to share any referrals you have for fellow members. Please be clear, specific, and concise, so we can connect you to the right opportunities. Thank you. Now it's time for the referrals. If you were, for whoever is not coming here, it's just know that this is the time for you to refer. Right?
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಾಗಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಅವ್ರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ರೆಫರಲ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
For referral, I don't think I have much. I think we pass, but I have self-referral for Vijay Krishna sir. We can discuss later.
Thank you, sir.
So last week I shared one referral to Mr. Yoga, Mr.
Nasim
Ashish.
sir.
No, they didn't pick up the phone,
Yeah,
so I just wanted to talk about it.
sure.
So just
Any referrals?
ರೆಫರಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ವೀಕಿಂದ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ
ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಅಮರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ದು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೀಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
You can introduce as a first time person and then we can.
ಸೊ ನಾನು RS ಸುಮತಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಲೋನ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ರೆಫರಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನೇ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸು. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಬೇಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೈ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನರಸಿಂಹಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ, ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಲು, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೀಲ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸು ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಕಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೇವ್ ಮಿ ಒನ್ ರೆಫರಲ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪಿಕಪ್. ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು develop this group. Thank you.
Great. This is Vijay Krishna Bodu. I'm a lawyer basically. So I'm into prevention is better than cure in legal area. I will not go to the court, but I solve your problem through legally, through contracts, documentation and claims management. So I recovered like that 15 crores without going to the courts. So I received award, Recovery Champion Award, IIC's Special Executive Award. I have 2,000 students across the world. So the mission is simple, that litigation can be reduced if you know the details initially. So that is the concept which I promote. So I would like to really congratulate Krishna and the new team which was formed here, and I wish them all the best. And I really seen the after Sanath coming to the system, completely drastic improvement is being there in the system, and wish you all the best. Samati madam, welcome. And we are all there, and the thing which sir and ma'am is saying that we will give referrals and expect referrals, that's a very very good and appreciation point. This is the first time I'm seeing the change here in the system. So before we expect that we want, first let us give to the system. That's what all of us are doing now. That's really great welcoming point. Especially Bharat, I think you have taken the lead very well. Sir, I think you have taken, the system is coming into the place. So let us see how it goes. And any support, anything, please let me know. I'm there for that only. I intentionally came for that meeting only. Even though I'm having a lot of headache, I want to take your healing now because headache. Self-referral. And once again, all the best to the new committee at the new farm. All these things, all the best. And I will work on the terms and conditions. Now the headache come down, I will do it.
So headache comes to the people who have headache.
So I'm Trivikrama. I just in the morning only I passed on one possible referral to the team. So let them see how it's worth it. If it works out, it's going to be multiple business opportunities for the same referral. Number one. Number two, in this group, a lot of things are happening. Only thing we have to get involved more and more to make it even more better. Thank you.
Okay, so I would like to tell you that we got a student from Goa. His name is Siddhant. So he is planning to work with us. So he is joining the referral marketing team shortly, and then we will be starting the Goa division also. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Now the referral roundtable meeting is over. As you saw, this is how we pass referrals in this duration of time, physical meeting. So please attend, it will help your business. As you saw in a span of less than 10 minutes, 10 referrals were exchanged right before your eyes. So So yeah, please make use of this opportunity.
So we want to emphasize every member that with your product or without your product or service, so by doing referral exchange, you can still make money because for every referral there is a payout once it is closed.